we hear people talking about the things that are really lacking in today's youth. And I know I always feel kind of like an old lady when I say that, like kids these days, but it's true. And because
we're there, Monica.
Right? I have these 3 young adult sons, but then I still have this 15-year-old, and I cannot deny that there is a difference in the world he's growing up in and the world his older brothers grew up in. So I would say, when you look around you and say, what are the things that are lacking? And how can I, as a homeschool mom, I have this blessing that I've got my kids at home around me all day. How can I take advantage of this opportunity to give them some of these traits that honestly are going to make them stand out in the world when they go to apply for a job, when they go to apply for college, when they are, building relationships? Some really simple things will make them stand out. If we can teach our kids to be thoughtful, to give that eye contact, to be patient. I think that focusing on some of the things that God's word has to say about what really matters is going to really be effective in the long run, maybe not in one day, but if you continue to do that, it does make an impact.